Alright, hey everyone, I'm Carson Seacrest. I'm a second year and I'm here to show you this little app I made in the last week called Slump Stats, which essentially encourages sleep-deprived computer science majors such as myself to get more sleep by comparing sleep with friends. So, real quick, I'm just going to show you a short little demo on my phone, which I'm using Expo for the front end, and I have the back end deployed on Render for the back end before I show you all the other functionality, or the main functionality on my laptop. So first you can see our landing page, which we're given the options to log in and sign up. First, I'm just going to sign up with an account. Let's call it please vote for me. And then the password, which you won't be able to see because it's covered by a little password protection, but I'm going to say I'm broke. And here we go. Let's go ahead and create an account. So it's going to take a second because it is on Render, and I think maybe, I don't know, maybe my create account isn't the fastest, but here we go. And there's that little check-in animation, which I made last night at 5 a.m. I really liked making animations, so I just want to do at least one cool animation to make it, feel like an app that I've made. So yeah, and then here, I'll just show you really quick just some navigation, which I really want to do swiping, which I think is really cool on apps and has a really smooth feel to it. So here we can also tap and we can swipe between screens, you'll notice. Yeah, and then last thing I'll show you before I switch to my MacBook is just if you tap the profile icon on the top right, you can sign out, and then you're back here. And then let's log in real quick and let's try an account that doesn't exist, and let's do password and let's see. Okay, username or password is incorrect. There we go. And then what was it? Please vote for me, and I'm broke. All right, and let's try logging in. And then this will take 1 second, like I said. And yeah, there we go. All right. So yeah, that was just for my phone. Now I'm gonna switch to my computer and I'll show you the rest. All right, so let me tell you about a story. And this story is about this guy named Tom. And Tom, he's always so busy with internships and he doesn't have time for schoolwork, and I don't know, he's just always so tired. So if we go over to his little overview here, you can see, oh man, he's maxing out at 6 hours a week. He has a low of 3, and he hasn't checked in for today yet. So actually, today he's gonna check in, and oh man, today was the worst. He only had 2 hours of sleep. Oh man, look at that, 2 hours. Whoa, he's not doing too good. But and also he has no friends. So let's go ahead and give him some friends real quick. Let's use this search feature to let's see. Oh, look at that, Sebastian is there. Let's add Sebastian, and also let's look for me real quick. Carpet. There we are, Carpet. All right, and then let's see. Boom, he has 2 friends. Look at that. Things are already looking better. He just needs to get up on his sleep. When he comes back tomorrow, he can hopefully he'll be hopefully he'll break the top or something. I don't know. That's a man. But yeah, now let's here actually, yeah, let me tell you about this other guy. His name, Sebastian, the guy he just added. Now Sebastian, oh man, he's locked in. He's really studious. He's look at that. He's already checked in today. We go over to his overview. Man, look at that. He's capped at 10 hours, minimum 7.5. Look at that. He's all over the place. I mean he's not all over the place. He's in a really good standing. He's got 9 hours all over, 9.57. Look at that. And so now when we go over to the friend screen, look at that. He's already has Carpet and Tom added. And so now when he goes to the compete screen, he can see, oh, look at that. For the daily average, he's on top, 9.5. Carpet's at 7, and Tom is at 2. Oh man, he really needs to start getting some more sleep. And then we go to weekly average. You can see Sebastian's at 9.1, Carpet 6.2, and Tom at 4.4. So yeah, yeah, that about wraps up the functionality of this app. You can see, check in. You can see we have different states for whether or not someone's checked in, so you can only check in once a day. Overview, you can see that it also updates when you check in, and you can see for the last week. Friends, you can add and remove friends. I'm not going to show remove because I'm worried that it'll mess up something. I still want to show you guys this. But yeah, and then let's go over, I just want to show you guys my Figma real quick. So yeah, here's some of the designs I made. At first I was going to do Google, but decided, I don't know, maybe I want to challenge myself. I don't know. I didn't really, I just thought it'd be easier to make a schema if I didn't use Google. I don't know. But yeah, and then here's some of the designs. You can tell these ones I had done like really early, and then these ones I kind of just made on the fly. Yeah, and then you can see like really old ones. Originally, I was doing this product with Sarvesh, and we wanted to do it not just on like, not like it wasn't originally a sleep competition app. It was just about tracking a bunch of stuff like coffee exercise, some data analysis. But Sarvesh got too wrapped up with work, so he had to leave. But he did contribute to one endpoint on the back end, which was I think he did connect. I think he did username available. Yeah, look at that. Yes, sir. And yeah, but then from there I had to do the rest of the back end, which is just a bunch of, I mean, yeah, just a bunch of different functions for here's actually let me look what we have. We have to check a valid username, you can sign up, authenticate, all these. Yeah, I had a tiny bit of familiarity with Go, but not really. I watched a couple videos like a month ago, so it wasn't the newest, and also I was warned by some people about some of its little quirks. Also, I don't like that here that string is after password instead of like string password because yeah, I don't know. Yeah. Anything else I want to show you? Yeah, here's just my database. You can see all the people in here, such as please vote for me. And yeah, so yeah, thanks for watching this video. One more thing is that if you vote for me, you will help offset the cost. That is $99 for an annual fee for putting apps in the App Store. So yeah, that'd be pretty helpful. But yeah, that's it. Thank you all for watching. And yeah, thanks.